Hello students, how are you?
We are fine, sir.
Take the question.
Sir, please explain us how can we use their model according to niche language with easiest method.
Okay, so guys, today I will try my best to explain you that how can we use how dare models according to English language. Guys, how dare is used to express your anger, your aggressive behavior, your aggressive emotions, feeling and concept. Is that clear? When someone does something bold and offensive behavior, in that condition we can use how dare models. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So guys, today I will explain this model with the concept and patterns and with examples. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start now. Sorry. Yes. Dare. Dare means हिम्मत है. Okay, हिम्मत है. And if we use any Hindi sentence and we use that himmat hai words at the last, that in that condition we can use how dare models. For example, I say how dare you, okay, how dare they, okay. For example, how dare he, how dare she, how dare you, no, you has completed, you, they, he, she, and for example, anybody like Mohan, okay, like Rita, we can use here. Guys, look it carefully that at the first we are using how dare, and then we are using you, they, he, she as a subject. Is that clear? I said how dare you, आपकी इतनी हिम्मत. I said how dare they, उनकी इतनी हिम्मत. I said how dare he, उसकी इतनी हिम्मत. How dare she, for the girls, for the ladies, उसकी इतनी हिम्मत. How dare Mohan, मोहन की इतनी हिम्मत. So guys, if you want to show your angerness with emotion and feelings, in that condition you can use how dare. Is that clear? So guys, we have patterns like that. I am telling you, these are some examples. Sorry, these were some examples, and now I form a format to form the sentence like according to positive sentence. At the first we have to use how dare, okay. Then we have to use subject, then MBs, and then RC. RC mean remaining components. Is that clear? Second, according to negative, we have to use how dare plus subject plus not plus MB's first form, and then RC according to requirement. At the last we can use symbol of interrogations. Is that clear? Yes. For example, I say आपकी कानून तोड़ने की इतनी हिम्मत, तोड़ने की इतनी हिम्मत हुई एंड है, वी कैन यूज. आपकी कानून तोड़ने की इतनी हिम्मत. देन हाउ कैन यू बिल्ड द सेंटेंस? लाइक at the first we have to start how dare, then aapki means you, how dare you, okay. This is the positive sentence, so we have to use MB's first form. Is that clear? It's mean dare, okay, but we are already using here dare. Is that clear? So we will not use here dare. Is that clear? So how dare you, then we have to use MB's first form. Am I clear? It's mean तोड़ना, like to break, to break. Is that clear? How dare you to break law? Kanun means law. Is that clear? And at the last, we have to use symbol of interrogations. And if you are forming a negative sentence, in that condition, you have to use like that. How, as a negative sentence, how dare you not to break law, and symbol of interrogations. Is that clear? So guys, it's very easy to use dare model according to positive and negative concept. Only remember that we have to use how dare at the first, then we have to use subject, then we have to use ambis first form according to positive sentence, and if the sentence is negative, then we have to use after subject as a note. Is that clear? Then we have to use ambis first form, and then RC. RC means remaining components if that is given in the English sentence. Is that clear? According to recommendation we can use. At the last, once again, I would like to repeat that. Dare model is used to show or to express your anger, your aggressive behavior with emotion and feelings. In that condition, we can use how dare models. Am I clear? Yes. So guys, if you like this video, then you can share it at your social media handles. Thank you so much guys. All the best.